Ready, start. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) had advised Pakistan against creating a group of preferred investors of distortion in the country under the Special Investment Facilitation Council and to ensure transparency and accountability in its business deals. Full stop. Next para. Deputy Chairman Planning Commission Dr. Jahazeb Khan told economists and journalists that the visiting fund mission had raised questions as to the need for creation of another institution like SIFC and whether this would lead to the distressed sale of assist and advised against preferred investors. Full stop. They want that transparency and accountability should be above board in these matters. Full stop. Next para. He said the implementation of the IMF program was in the interest of the country and there was no difficulty with IMF advice for improved taxation on the rich because the people had already absorbed the full burden of the program and the backlog and should now only lead towards ease from her onwards. Full stop. Next para. He said the problem in the past was because of delays or partial implementation of the needed adjustments. Full stop. He said the IMF teams was satisfied with the SIFC briefing and explanations. Full stop. Responding to a question, comma, he said administrative measures against hoarding of foreign exchange and speculative pricing because of cross border movement had helped a great deal in finding the real value of the rupee given the imperfect markets. Full stop. However, comma, he said there had been no interference in the exchange rate. Full stop. Next para. The city, comma, which had enjoyed 5 days of relatively normal air quality, comma, experienced a sudden spike with a maximum AQI of 401 recorded at 9 a.m., marketing it is extremely unsafe for breathing. Full stop. According to data from the global air quality monitoring platform, the situation slightly improved in the afternoon, with the AQI dropping to 188 by the 7 p.m. Full stop. However, hopes for a sustained improvement were dashed as the air quality deteriorated again, registering an AQI. Full stop. The unsettling development catapulted Lahore to the third spot on the list of the most populated cities global. Full stop. Next para. Lahore traditional experiences a decline in air quality during the winter session, particularly from October to February. Full stop. During this period, farmers in the wide Punjab province burn crop remnants, contributing to the smog. Full stop. Weather changes further exacerbate the problem by trapping pollutants in the air for longer duration. Full stop. The primary contributors to air pollution in Lahore include vehicle and industrial emissions, smoke from bricks kilns, bringing of crops residue and general waste, and dust from construction sites, full stop. Deforestation for infrastructure development, such as new roads and buildings, also plays a significant role, full stop. Next para. The winter air pollution is worsened by temperature inversion, a phenomenon where a layer of warm air prevents the upward movement of pollutants, leading to their accumulation, full stop. Next para. To combat the rising air pollution crisis, experts suggest that real-time air quality data should be made readily available to the public with greater granularity, full stop.